What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles back with another how-to video. Today I am going to be cleaning these Taco Tuesday LeBron 16s that Hayden went ahead and got taco sauce and I don't know what else all over these things. If you guys haven't already seen the clip, Jake, go ahead and cue the clip real quick of the Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday! Taco Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday, man, come on.
It's Taco Tuesday.
All right, so as you can see, these got pretty trash. There's like taco sauce on the netting. I'm not even sure if that's gonna even come out, guys. Most of the time, whenever you're dealing with anything that has like dyed chemicals, hot sauce, ketchup, whatever else, it tends to stain the knit. So I'm hoping that that's not the case here. I'm hoping the laundry system gets it clean. But today I am gonna be using Reshoevn8r's Advanced 3-Brush Sneaker Laundry System and Sneaker Laundry Detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com, guys. So without further ado, let's get bubbly. All right, guys, for this video, I am only gonna be cleaning one shoe. So I think that's gonna go ahead and be, let's do the left one today. So I'm gonna put the right one right down there. Now the first step, guys, is to remove the laces. And while I do that, I wanna go ahead and just talk about the shoe a little bit. What are you guys' thoughts on this Buzz Lightyear theme colorway? I'm not a big fan personally of the LeBron 16. I'm an OG LeBron sneakerhead fan, I guess you would say. I like the 7s, the 8s, and the 9s. The 10s were pretty dope too. I think my favorite from the 10s was definitely like the corks. Those were super fire, but I've never actually owned a pair. If I could get this. So, the fabric is pretty thick. It's kind of like my grandma's poncho. And it has a lot of woven material. So the laces are kind of hard to get through, but we're getting there. It's not as bad as the blazers. Those blazers had like a 5-foot lace job that was pretty difficult. Uh-oh, that one's gonna be tricky. Now that the laces are removed, guys, the next step is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. Now these are a size 10, so what you want to do is make sure you push these little pieces together, move it up to size. It's probably going to be about like the third one up. Push it down. Nope, a little too much. The fourth one. Perfect. And what that's gonna allow me to do, guys, is apply more pressure on this toe box, and it actually keeps the form as well. Now, I'm a little bit worried because in the mesh material, there is like blue, red, it looks like green stitching. Not sure if that's gonna bleed onto the rest of the white netting, so I'm hoping it doesn't, but we'll see and find out. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and grab our bottle of solution here, pour 2 small squirts into our bowl of water, and begin cleaning the uppers using the soft bristle brush. Now, as I mentioned before, guys, I'm a little worried about the like Tabasco sauce or whatever sauce that they have on here because it is dyed. I'm not sure how much of it's gonna come out. So as you can see on this toe box, it's heavy, and this netting right here, it's a little spotty, back heel here, and then of course you see it all through here. So what I'm gonna do next is use the medium bristle brush Try to get in there a little deeper. Hopefully it doesn't snag on the material. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna clean the entire shoe again with that medium brush and then move on to the midsoles with that same medium bristle brush. So let's go ahead and take care of the rest of the shoe. All right guys, so I am done hitting up the midsoles with that medium bristle brush. And as you can see, some of the little foam here is stained with that hot sauce. I'm not sure if that's gonna be able to come out. I'm hoping so, but from my experience, that's gonna be stained in there. But overall, I think the shoe is looking really, really good. Now to move on to the outsole with the stiff bristle brush. So now that I am done cleaning the shoe, guys, like I mentioned, I am a little nervous about the stains, but overall, I think the shoe is looking really, really nice. Like I mentioned, I do really enjoy this colorway. The shoe itself, I'm not the biggest fan of the 16s, but the colorway is super dope. So let me know if you guys cop this shoe or if you guys like LeBron 16s at all. And if so, which colorway do you guys like? Personally, I would not cop this shoe, but I do like the colorway. So that's my opinion. But next up, guys, is to clean the laces. All you have to do is dip them in your bowl of solution and water mixture. Get them all nice and soapy. And rub them in between your hands. No bubbles. Next step, guys, is to grab our sneaker laundry bag and put the shoes in there for the wash. So it's real simple. Just put the shoe in there like that. Add the laces. You always want to make sure you lock it up. Lock up the other side as well. Boom. All right. Let's go put these in the wash. Let's go. All right, guys, the next step is to put the shoe in the wash, just like so. You're just gonna go ahead and throw the shoe into the washer. You wanna grab your sneaker detergent, loosen the cap, squeeze to about an ounce. Go ahead and open the tray here. Just pour the detergent into the tray. Close it up. Go ahead and turn on the wash. You always want to do normal cycle, cold water. Normal spin is fine. And we'll be back in an hour. All right, guys, I am back. I went ahead and let these LeBrons dry for a few days. And as you can see, man, do they look super nice once again. Now, I do want to point out a few spots that unfortunately did stain the shoe. On the outsole here, whatever it was, I think it was like hot sauce or some kind of taco sauce they got on the sole. Unfortunately, that is now stained into the material. And no matter how deep I scrub or how many times I wash the shoe, those are just gonna be in there. I thought I had some on the midsole, but I can't see it. Right here is another stained spot. But overall, guys, I am really satisfied with the cleaning. Let me go ahead and show a side-by-side of what they looked like before. But that's going to go ahead and wrap it up, guys. Remember, I did use the advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. If you want to go ahead and find a nice little promo code in the description below, you can do so. But that's going to wrap it up, guys. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time.